What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to become a tutor on and teach on Preply to earn money. So Preply is a language learning platform, and it's basically you can sign up as a tutor and for a certain language, and if you want to learn this language you can connect with a tutor and you will be able to connect with them and learn a language one by one. So it's a pretty good language learning model. And here I can sign in to find tutors, or I can become a tutor myself. So if you are a tutor and you want to work with others to teach them your language, here click on become a tutor. Okay, and here you can enter your email and password to sign up, or sign up with Google or Facebook. So I'm going to enter my email and password and then sign up for a tutor account. Okay, sign up with email. And here are the steps I need to finish in order to become a certified tutor. So first of all, I need to enter my basic information such as my name, my country of birth, my subject that I teach, the language here, and then the language I speak and the level, and I can add as many languages as I want. Add my phone number, confirm that I'm over 18, and then add my photo, of course, because this is like an actual one-on-one learning. I need to be like offer my real photos. Certifications, in order to be able to become a tutor, I need to be to prove to them that I'm certified. The education that I have, a description of me. I need to provide a video of me, of course, performing or like talking, in order to for them to verify that I'm a real person. Set my availability and pricing in order to start it. However, one thing to note is that you need to research the rates that our tutors of your language are making or are getting paid, and having to put your price depending on that, because you need to be on the same level as their pricing. And once you finish all that, you can sign up and become a certified tutor, and you can start making money by teaching people your language. And one thing to note is, of course, you need to enter your schedule or the times that you are free in, so that you can teach according to your own time. So it's not restricted on any time, and it's not a fixed time job. So that's pretty good. You can teach in your free time and you can make some extra money with your talents in your language, whether if you are a native speaker of this language or a fluent speaker. So basically, you will set your own language that you want to teach, your time, and as well as your own custom price, and you will get paid this. And once, of course, you are approved on Preply platform. However, make sure to add all the needed certificates and your real photo and your real information in order to get approved.